at the Archaeological Symposium with our host, our MC, Professor Tony.
Hi.
And he is a real-life Belizean archaeologist. Yes. So we actually have a Belizean over here studying and running things, which is very nice. And Professor Tony, can you tell us how Belizeans can get into the archaeological field?
The first step would be just to get involved. Find out what projects exist in the country, if they're nearby, then find out how to get involved. You can reach out to the IA niche and they can tell you what projects are working where.
Seems like there's projects everywhere in Belize, right?
Yes. Pretty much the entire country has one or two, every single district has one or two different projects going on. Cayo has the most, but yeah, anywhere that there are projects, if you live nearby, close enough, you want to get involved, just reach out to the IA, reach out to the projects themselves if they have social media, and they can tell you what steps you can take in order to get involved. They will train you essentially the same way that they train the foreign students coming in.
Oh, okay.
So they will teach you the different things that we do in the field, such as excavation, screening, lab work, and that way you can figure out it's for me or it's too much and I don't want to do this again.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then if you really get into it, there is an anthropology program at Galen that also focuses on archaeology, and they do offer archaeological field methods as a class where they actually teach you the same things, but this time it's for credit. You have to write notes, and you also can become a published author by helping to write field reports.
Oh, fancy. So over here at Galen, you can get your BA and you can be a published author doing the work in Belize.
Yeah, and then eventually if you want to move on from there, sometimes there are scholarships that come up for Belizean students to go and get their graduate degrees and stuff in the US. There's also the Chevening Scholarship for the UK, where you can also go
I think you
and
have
learn
a student
archaeology.
here that's participating in that right now, or?
No, he is in Amsterdam, but we have had some of our very own Belizean archaeologists, Sylvia Bate and Jose Ramos, who went to the UK to get their degrees in archaeology.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
Okay. So you don't, it's not just for rich kids, it's accessible to everyone, basically, if you can make the grades.
And the good thing about working with these projects, or even doing something like coming to the Belize Archaeologist Symposium, is you can start to build a network of people who can eventually help you out in the future. You show up, you ask questions, you see what projects exist, who you might want to work with, get to know them, volunteer with them, intern with them, and there you have a network, and then they can help you in the future with access.
And then the next one is going to be in 2028?
Yes.
And I heard in that one we're going to talk about Santa Rita a lot in Corozal.
Yes, absolutely. That one, because that's the site that Dr. Badillo did her PhD on. She's currently the director for the IA. Fantastic having our second Belizean female as the head of archaeology in Belize. And one of her major platforms is definitely education for Belizeans. So even though there's not a symposium coming for the next 2 years, you can still get involved. If you are in high school or junior college and you need to complete any service hours, you can intern with the IA and we can help you get those service hours. There's lots to do. We always need volunteers. So all you need to do is reach out and see how you can get involved.
Perfect. I'm going to put, is it okay if I put your email
Yes.
at the bottom of the...
Yes, absolutely.
So that's how you reach out, and you're going to be on your way, or if anything, you're going to hate it, and you're going to have a fun summer experience volunteering on these sites. All right, awesome. Thank you, Professor Tony.
Thank you very much.